So we've been working on the sort of capacity for mobility, range of balance, range of comfort in the Kwa. Okay? Because if you're always perfect, you're always balanced, you've got this refined, tiny little modicum of correctness. The moment somebody touches you and they nudge you out of it, then your refinement is gone, your balance is gone, your comfort is gone, your kung fu is gone. Yep. So we're trying to make our range of comfort bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger so that we can maintain Zhongding. Now, a huge part of that is the physical reality of your body, the inner body getting opened, the opening of the silk body, the inner transformation of the body to make it big on the inside. Okay? Just the psychology of being at ease and balanced is not enough if the physicality can't keep up. On the other hand, if you open your body and everything, but your psychology is extremely prone to fight, flight, stress states and stuff like that, that's not going to work either. So we need this kind of mind-body integration of balance, harmony, openness, comfort, the ability to be comfortable. Yep, here you come. So if we're doing the exercise or whatever, this foot forward maybe. Now, if I'm very comfortable, as soon as I move, he's uncomfortable compared to me. Compared to me. Now, if I move in the same way, I'm not as comfortable and he corrupts my shape. Okay? So he corrupts my shape. Now I'm very uncomfortable, right? I feel shitty. I have to be able to gather my comfort. Return, you okay?
It's okay.
Return to comfort. How do I return to comfort? I need internal space. I need external ability to adapt. I need the mentality of being cool. Okay, let's switch so that doesn't happen. Now let's say he pulls my arm right out of structure, okay? Pull hard, and I'm out of structure, like this. So he's taking me out of my ability to have space, okay? He does the same thing, pull, and I'm comfortable. I can lengthen inside, I can adapt inside, I can make it so even though I'm externally out of shape, I'm internally in my internal posture. The mind and chi are in posture. Like when we're doing the solo training, I'm talking about the mental posture, the physical posture, and like this sort of ability to stay cool, yep, to stay zhongding, to stay balanced. Okay?